Hello, my name is Helen and I'm an English teacher. I'm here to help you improve your English skills by providing you with the best possible service in classes and helping you with grammar, pronunciation, speaking, listening, writing, or even reading skills. Since, in my experience, the best way to master English is by being exposed to it and by speaking it, you will have a lot of time to practice your speaking skills in our classes, since they're mostly based on conversation, and the topic of the lesson can be anything, absolutely anything. We can talk about sports, music, literature. If you have any suggestion or anything you would like to talk about, I'm always open to new ideas. Anyway, as far as my teaching experience is concerned, so far I have worked as a high school English teacher, as a private English tutor, and of course as an online English teacher, as you can see. So I'm looking forward to meeting you all in our classes. If you want me to be the one who will help you develop your English skills further, feel free to contact me and I hope to see you all soon. Have a nice day and